got run over by a hack robot reindeer walking home from work on Christmas Eve. You might say it's safe to trust your gadgets, but as for me and Santa, we believe. He's been clicking links without a question. Ignore the warning signs that popped up clear. Now the reindeer's got a virus in its software, and poor old Connor's flying through the atmosphere. It started with a shady email sender. Claim your gift, just logging right away. Connor typed his password like a rookie, and the hacker seized control of Santa's sleigh. Oh, the dashboard started glitching, the antlers sparked with lights. Then that robo-deer took off, and Connor vanished in the night. Connor got run over by a hack robot reindeer walking home from work on Christmas Eve. You might say it's safe to trust your gadgets, but as for me and Santa, we believe. Now the elves are changing passwords, Santa's firewalled the toys. The North Pole's learning quickly about the dangers for good girls and boys.